Welcome to our Shopify tutorial video. Are you looking to enhance your customers' shopping experience and boost your sales? Then, you'll definitely want to enable the account section in your Shopify store. But did you know there are two versions for creating a customer account? In this video, we'll reveal those two versions and show you how to enable the account section in your Shopify store and take your Shopify store to the next level. First things first, always make sure to check whether the option Enable Account is present in the theme customizer. Some theme providers have built-in features like this, so it's worth checking before you proceed. To check that, you need to head over to the Shopify dashboard and click on the Customize option for the current theme you have chosen. For this tutorial, I've chosen the Print City theme from the Buddha Themes theme provider. It's a great print-on-demand theme with all the cool-looking features you could want. You can check out the theme demo link provided in the description below. If you like it, you can purchase it from Theme Forest. Now, coming back to the tutorial. Head over to the header option from the left side and slide over right side, and check if the Enable Account option is present. First, you need to make sure that you need to enable those options. If not, these features won't work on the theme. Note, for all themes, this feature will not be available. Once you've checked these options, if the Enable Account option is present, you can enable it. After enabling the option, head back to the Shopify dashboard. From there, head over to the Settings option in the left bottom corner, and then click on the Checkout and Accounts from the left side menu. Once you click that option, head over to the e-Account Experience section and expand the section by clicking on the Edit button. Once you click on the option, the section will be expanded. Here's an additional tip. You can view an option as Require customers to log in before checkout. This option is highly secured for customers when they are trying to check out the product from a website. So this is safer for the customer. It's up to you whether you want to activate this or not. Now, coming back to choosing the customer account to use, there are two versions: Classic Customer Accounts and New Customer Account. The New Customer Account option is a new feature that was recently introduced. When you choose Classic Customer Accounts, click the Save option in the top right corner. Since this is the default option and already chosen, the Save button does not appear here. Head back to the site. When a customer is trying to log in or create a new account by clicking on the account icon, you will see an email and password is required to log in. If you're trying to create a new account, first name, last name, email, and password are required to create a new account. This is the classic way of creating a customer account or logging into one. Once you have chosen the New Customer Accounts option and saved it, you need to do a hard refresh on your browser by holding down Ctrl and then pressing F5 on your keyboard for Windows users, or holding down Command and a Shift and then pressing R on your keyboard for Mac users. After doing a hard refresh, click on the account icon on your site and you will see that customers can now only log into the site using their email address. Once they enter their email address and click Continue, a 6-digit code will be sent to their email address. This is a more secure way for customers to log in and provides an additional layer of protection for their account information. In conclusion, enabling customer accounts on your Shopify store can provide a better user experience for your customers, and also help you collect valuable customer data. By checking whether the Enable Account option is present in the theme customizer, choosing the appropriate customer account option, and enabling the required fields, you can easily enable customer accounts on your Shopify store. That's it for this tutorial on how to create a customer account in Shopify. We hope you found it useful. If you have any thoughts or questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos on Shopify themes. Thanks for watching.